Welcome to the new segment of the grade 10th. We are discussing manufacturing industry. In that, today's subtopic control of environmental degradation. So, how to control these environmental degradation from a pollution of which is released by industry, that is air, water, and noise pollution. So some suggestions, we have to discuss some suggestions which are the minimizing for these pollutions. So minimizing the use of water processed by, that is reusing and recycling, and harvesting of rainwater, and which hot water and sewage water it will be released, that one we which one we directly they are the giving releasing the flowing to rivers and ponds. A treatment of industrial influence can be done by the three different ways. So they can stop those things by the using some three ways. That is, the first one, it is a primary. They can involve the grinding and some sediments, screening of that water. Second one, by the biological process. Third one, that is using the chemicals and biological process. That one be involves in a recycling of waste water. And in the industries which they are using, it will be make a ground water, it will be threat to the groundwater resource. That one we uh, stopping the throwing the waste garbage from to the on a surface of the land. And this one air pollution, which is then can reduce by the fitting a smoke stacks in factories, and fiber filters, scrubbers, and interiors, spare parts. They are separations. They are the fitting for to the filtration of air which is released from to these industries. And the reducing of the smoke by oil and the gas instead of coal in factories. Machineries which is creates more noise, they can make those machineries redesigning, which one is making a reduce noise pollution. And the making using the materials of reducing of the noise pollution, air pollution, and water pollution, it's a make our environment uh, to help to the save our environment. So equipments which they are the using, and development of uh, economical also is important, uh, and development of industry also very important. Along with that, the saving the main natural resource also is very important, because to next generation we need a environment and natural resource also. So development also is needed, and saving environment also is needed. For the reference, you can refer a 10th grade textbook. Thank you.